Hey, what's up there, YouTube? This is Crazy Workman. Today, I forgot to record and do a video for you from in my backyard for something else. I can't say because there's people eating here, so I have to be respectful about that. So yeah, and most of you guys check out my channel, subscribe, and notification bell to be notified for whatever video I upload. So yay, good luck with that. But anyways, it helps out a channel on time. But anyways, I want you guys to know that today it's Diet Pepsi Clock Summer. Then later today, I'm gonna go home and do dishes and maybe clean the kitchen a little bit. So yeah. And also, heck, like I said, I can do anything if I put my mind to it, which is basically everything else. And everything I could endure of that. So, sorry about for the Spanish music right now, kind of loud. So, but right now, just I'm glad that today it was kind of not my day, so that I could tell on a working persona for that. So, and right now I'm just tired. So actually, I should upload this to Facebook because it's like gonna be like what the heck? Why is YouTube canceling in my videos around music? Well, same with YouTube with copyright. So, but anyways, you guys want to know what's using my ear? AirPods. This also brought to you by Copperfit compression gloves and sleeves and everything else. So, see, I brought my compression gloves just in case I have to work somewhere. And plus my cowboy hat. Just in case I have to take it off a little bit later. So right now I have nobody at my table besides me. So, but heck, for most of you guys are out there that are working hard and everything else, rock. You guys rock. But either way, I'm kind of happy, and I'm kind of wish I had lunch. I wish I would have brought like everything for my cash, but instead, maybe later. So, but heck, if you're my friend on Facebook, or any of you guys are my friends on Facebook, please drop a comment on this video. And this is should be a how-to video, but instead I forgot to set up my tripod and everything else, which is bad. So, but heck, I'll do it next time. Okay, cool. No, I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to the camera on my phone, and I'm a vlogger for both YouTube and Facebook. So, yeah, if you look up Crazy Working Man, it's not working with the ing, it's working with the E at the end of work. And you put man after that. That's my YouTube tag name. And I do like lawn mowing videos and stuff like that.
Another diet?
Sure, please and thank you. And also I do top 5 restaurants and bars. And also top 5 meanest bosses there is. Well, I did that for a while, and I gave that up, and I did like top 5 drinks after work. So, and also, that's just pretty much it. Other than that, I do videos on dishwashing and basically clean up stuff. And also, I'm sorry for saying this, for picking up dog poop. Because Because I know you just got done eating and I didn't want to say that. I'm sorry. I work with dishes at the school district in Nipmuc, so anything smells bad or good doesn't matter. But I don't talk bad about my bosses except for the meanest ones on YouTube or Facebook. So and yes, I have my gaming channel called Crazy Magic Hawkman. I do like pack openings if you have a kid. If you had a kid that is into Magic or Yu-Gi-Oh or Pokemon, I tell them to look me up. If I could, I would probably upload one from the phone. So cool. I don't do Minecraft or nothing like that. But I do MTG Mana Strike on the phone. I do a video game called MTG Mana Strike. It's really cool. It's just you play as a planeswalker and you just instantly kill bad guys with. Or other players. Like, comment below this video, smash that like button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. See you guys later.